Hello everyone, my name's Alex Mr. Fish and this is a video explaining Fireteam.com's mobile and tablet app. Once you have registered and logged into the app, this will be the first screen you see. This is the My Groups page. It contains all of the groups you are a member of. So next, let's just quickly clarify what a group is in Find a Fireteam. So a Find a Fireteam group is simply a collection of Destiny players that enjoy chatting to one another and like playing Destiny together. This might be an official clan or it might just be a casual group of friends. You can be a member of multiple groups, so this allows you to be in a clans group, but also have a separate group for friends who might be members of a different clan. So there are three different types of group. Let's show you this on here. There's open, public and private groups. An open group is visible to all users and they can join without the need for any admin actions. A public group is visible to all users, however they must request access to the group and the admin can then accept them. A private group is only visible to its members. To become part of a private group, the admin has to add you in the group settings. Okay, so this page is a bit empty at the moment, but that's just because we are not yet part of any groups. So the first thing to do is check out the groups and clans section. To do that, we tap on the menu button in the top left and then choose groups and clans. This is the Groups and Clans page, which contains both public and open groups specific to the console you are playing on. So if you marked yourself as a PS4 player, you will only see groups created by PS4 users. The groups are ordered by the number of members each group has, with the more popular groups at the top. So let's join a group. Now the first one I recommend is the Find a Fireteam community group. We've set up this group for you, so let's tap on that now. So let's Find a Fireteam community. Okay, this first page is the summary page for the group. You can see the name at the top, how many members it has, and a description of the group. So let's join the group by tapping Join Group. Next you can see the notification button. This is where you can say whether or not you would like to receive notifications from this group. This notification might, for example, be telling you that someone has sent a message or created an event within the group. So talking about messaging, let's look at that next. So to do that, we tap on the chat icon at the bottom. Here we can see the conversation that is currently going on in the group. To join in, we just tap on the message section at the bottom, type in our message and tap send. Please note that your name listed here is the same name you use for Destiny, so no need to quote this in your messages. You can also tap on a person's name and it will open up their Bungie profile in a separate browser window. After chatting for a while, you might decide to organise an event for the group to play in the future. So let's jump to the event page. To do that, we tap the event or calendar icon at the bottom. This page will show you all upcoming events for this group, so you can see an example of an event here. So at this point I can join the group by tapping the Join Event button, but instead of that I'm going to create my own event by tapping the plus icon in the top right hand corner. So in this screen I can give my event a name, select an activity I want to do, and then set a start date. Now this section will look different depending on what kind of device you're using. I can also set a start time, and I can also set an estimated duration, but this is optional. So to confirm it all, we just click Create Event. So now we've created this event, all the other members of the group will now be able to see this event and will receive a notification letting them know it's been created. To remove an event, we simply click the Remove Event button. So that was an event for the future, but what if you are looking for people to play with right now? For that we have the final option at the bottom right. This takes you to the Active Fireteams page. On here you can see people in your group looking to play right now, so we can see that someone is looking to do the Nightfall strike. If I was up for that I could tap join, but let's say I've already done the Nightfall, so I'm not interested, but I haven't yet done the weekly strike. So let's create a fire team for the weekly by tapping the plus in the top right hand corner. On the next page we select the activity we want to do, so let's select the weekly strike. Now we need to give the details of the character we are playing with, so let's set the level, what class we are, and whether or not we have a microphone. And then we confirm all that by clicking Create. By creating the group, it has automatically assigned me to my Fireteam. Because of this, I can no longer join the Nightfall strike above. So, let's go to our Fireteam page. We can do this by tapping on Go to Fireteam, or by choosing the menu and going to the Active Fireteam section. In this page you can see that the event you chose will determine how many open slots there are in your Fireteam. By default, the slots are all set to available. In this state, only other members of the group you have created the Fireteam in can join. We can change the state of these slots by swiping them left. The first option you can set the slot to is Reserve. This allows you to keep a space safe for a friend if you know they are going to be playing with you. The second option is to set the slot to Matchmaking. This opens the slot up to all users of Find a Fireteam who are looking to play the same event as you and will automatically add them to your Fireteam. In your Fireteam, you also have a Fireteam chat section at the bottom here. Okay, so let's disband the group now by swiping myself left and then choosing to leave. Okay, last bit to show you. If you are that one person looking for a group to play with, then you need to use the Find a Fireteam section from the menu. And exactly the same way as we did a second ago, we say what we want to do and put in our details. So let's do Crota, put in our details, have a mic, and then we say Find a Fireteam. This takes you to the matchmaking screen. While the app finds us people to play with, we don't need to sit here and watch this page, as the app will send us a notification once our Fireteam is ready. That's it for this video. I'll do another one soon for group admins showing you how to create and manage your own groups. All of this functionality is great, but it only works if we get people using it. So please let your friends know by telling them about the app, liking us on Facebook or following us on Twitter. See our Contact Us page within the app for links. Thanks for your time guys, and we hope you enjoy Find a Fireteam.